Hello, this will show you how you can reuse the same object to get cool results. But real quick guys, I've got two new courses on Udemy. Ultimate Sci-Fi Soldier and Plasticity Modeling Guide. So guys, Plasticity 1.0 is now out. The program is pretty much at a good state. I like using this program guys, it's really fantastic. It's hands down the best 3D modeling program I've ever used. It's fantastic, and this guide will show you how to create this awesome industrial mech. As for the Sci-Fi Soldier, I've got some really good ZBrush hard surface sculpting techniques and then a lot of 3ds Max clean topology. So you get the best of both worlds guys. Really cool hard surface ZBrush techniques and then all the retopology process of the Max. All the Max videos are unsped up and the videos in ZBrush are a little bit sped up. So essentially guys, the purpose of this one is not to overwhelm you with dozens of hours of content, but just to have really streamlined, just like the best of the best techniques for retopology and sculpting. So guys, check out those courses, links are in the description. Let's continue. So sometimes guys, it's not about having different objects, sometimes just a single object can go pretty far, and I want to show you how you can do that. So let's go ahead and start with the box, and I'm going to go ahead and press Shift 1, that's my hotkey for creating splines. So go in here, auto grid, line, let's do a rectangle right here, and let's create one right there. Alright, let's go ahead and make it a perfect, same length width, and then let's go ahead and apply edit spline. Let's go into segment, let's select this, and let's divide that. And then let's go ahead and delete these, Control A, and make sure they're set to corner. Alright, and it looks like maybe I want to scale this a little bit here as well. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and just apply a new edit spline modifier, or we can apply spline chamfer to chamfer this like so. And then we can apply extrude and edit poly on top. I'm gonna go ahead and select the top end gone, and now we'll kind of move it down here and now we're going to rotate it. Alright, let's go with that. I'm going to center the pivot to make sure it's here. And now what I can do is just kind of move it down. I can scale. Alright, now we can simply just boolean this away as a copy. Alright, so we've got this detail here, but how can we use the same detail? How can we get more out of this? Well, we can kind of rotate this, move it further down, maybe change the depth a little bit, make it a little bit more shallow. And so then we can kind of move this here, kind of like that. All right, and we can boolean this away as well. And we kind of move this right here. And boolean it away, and then move it down here as well. Alright, then we can select this and now kind of rotate it, activate angle snap, and kind of rotate it by 180 degrees. And boolean that away as well. So as you can see guys, by using the same detail, we're able to get this really cool unified effect. And it can go even further guys, because we can kind of move this right here. And scale it up again, and now we can remove this. So it's all kind of working together and playing off each other. We can now rotate this and kind of like that. So maybe like this. All right, as you can see, now we have this happening here. If you don't like that, you can kind of move it like this, and now we've got this happening. So once again guys, we're just going further with this single object. And we can scale even more, and then move it here for example. And get that. It's always good to have details that kind of point. So as you can see guys, just out of a single object, we're able to get some really cool results. And we can even, for example, scale this on the z-axis, and we can use it to chip away the edges as well. So let me undo that. Let's maybe scale it. We can reset the scale back to 100 and reset the rotation as well. And then we got our detail back here in the same rotation. So as you can see, guys, just with that, we're able to get a cool amount of results. And then we can even do things like rotate it. And then we can attach this, center, pivot. Now we can even get further results as well. Alright guys, so I hope you can now take the same detail and just go further with it. Thank you for watching and take care.